Welcome back to US Car Review. This extraordinary double-decker luxury motorhome represents a new era in mobile living, combining the grandeur of a modern mansion with the freedom of life on the road. At first glance, the exterior alone signals that this vehicle is far beyond the realm of traditional RVs or touring buses. Its tall, sculpted body, ornate LED lighting accents, elegant trims, and premium architectural lines make it appear more like a futuristic mobile palace than a conventional recreational vehicle. The raised upper deck with large panoramic windows gives the structure a commanding presence, while the staircase attached to the side instantly grabs attention. This is not merely a vehicle, it's an artistic marvel designed for those who want to travel without ever leaving the comforts and luxuries of a high-end residence. The massive front portion, with its aerodynamic curves and advanced headlight design, suggests both power and elegance, and the lower profile grille integrates technology seamlessly into aesthetics. Every corner of the exterior reflects meticulous craftsmanship, from the gold-lined edges to the sleek black and white contrast elements that enhance the visual richness of the motorhome. The double-decker layout significantly elevates the functional space available inside and allows the interior to be designed with multiple dedicated rooms, just like a stationary luxury home. The staircase itself is a statement piece, illuminated beautifully with soft lighting and decorated with green foliage, giving it the feel of a boutique hotel entrance rather than a vehicle access point. This staircase leads to the upper deck, which is surrounded by full-length glass windows that reveal the lavish interior. Even from outside, one can see high-end decor, polished materials, warm ambient lighting, and elegant furniture that make the motorhome appear inviting and regal. The lower deck features large windows as well, hinting that the designers intended the vehicle to feel open, airy, and deeply connected with the outside environment. Inside the motorhome, one would expect an unmatched level of luxury, and this design clearly delivers just that. The warm golden lighting creates an atmosphere of comfort, refinement, and relaxation. Modern LED strips run along the ceilings and walls, forming patterns that uplift the entire mood and highlight the architectural features of the living space. The upper deck, judging by the visible interiors, seems to be an entertainment lounge or a premium relaxation area. Plush seating, possibly leather or suede, along with glass partitions and wooden finishing, create a boutique environment that feels more like an executive suite in a five-star hotel. The ceiling height also appears carefully designed to avoid the confined feeling that traditional RVs often create. Instead, the upper floor offers a sense of openness and luxury. The motorhome likely includes multiple rooms such as a master bedroom, guest sleeping areas, a living room, a dining section, a kitchenette, and a full bathroom. Modern luxury motorhomes often include amenities like smart temperature controls, high-end audio systems, large TVs, mini bars, and foldable furniture to maximize space. Judging by this model's grandeur, it is highly probable that it comes equipped with all these features and possibly more, such as a touch control interior system, automatic blinds, premium soundproofing, and controlled ambient environments. The use of glass, premium wood, and metallic trims shows that comfort and elegance were top priorities in the design. The craftsmanship extends beyond aesthetics into practical luxury. Large-sized windows allow natural light to fill the space during the day, making travel a more lively and refreshing experience. The panoramic upper deck windows are particularly impressive because they provide breathtaking views while traveling through scenic routes. This makes the motorhome perfect for people who appreciate nature and want to enjoy landscapes without compromising comfort. Imagine driving along mountains, seasides, forests, or deserts and experiencing the view from a high, glass-surrounded lounge. It turns every moment of travel into an unforgettable experience. Beyond visuals, this motorhome appears designed for long-term, high-quality travel. The size suggests that it runs on a powerful engine capable of carrying such a large structure with stability and smoothness. Heavy-duty tires and a reinforced chassis ensure safe and reliable travel across long distances. The lighting under the body, as well as along the sides, gives the vehicle a luxurious glow in the dark, transforming it into a moving spectacle at night. Such lighting is not only aesthetic but also helpful for safety and visibility in low-light environments. Considering the premium build, the motorhome likely offers top-tier insulation and climate control, ensuring comfort in extreme heat or cold. High-end motorhomes commonly include solar panels, advanced battery systems, and fuel-efficient engines designed to handle long journeys without constant refueling. This motorhome's design hints at similar sustainability features. The presence of multiple windows and vents suggests proper ventilation systems, essential for maintaining air quality inside such a large mobile space. The vehicle's broader body shape also indicates the possible inclusion of water storage systems, external compartments for luggage and supplies, and even an expandable exterior section. The interior ambiance visible through the windows indicates a focus on hospitality and relaxing environments. The golden lighting, artistic decor pieces, glass surfaces, and soft materials give the impression that the motorhome caters to a premium lifestyle. It appears ideal for celebrities, business executives, influencers, or wealthy travelers who prefer privacy and luxury over traditional touring methods. It could also serve as a mobile office for high-end professionals, offering them a quiet and lavish environment to work while traveling. Functionally, the two floors separate private and social spaces. The lower floor can be imagined as the main living and dining area, while the upper floor can be reserved for entertainment, private rooms, or lounges. This separation ensures that even with multiple people traveling together, privacy is never compromised. Families, friends, or business groups can comfortably share the space without disturbing each other. The staircase suggests that movement between the floors is smooth, well lit, and safe, even while the vehicle is parked at night. In terms of build quality, the aligned edges, the precise detailing, and the seamlessly integrated lighting speak volumes about engineering excellence. Vehicles of this kind often undergo strict testing for weight distribution, center of gravity, and road stability. A double-decker structure demands exceptionally strong materials, likely reinforced aluminum, composite panels, and steel beams, to ensure stability without making the vehicle excessively heavy. The use of aerodynamic curves also reduces drag, which helps with fuel efficiency and smoother travel. Aesthetically, the designers have combined modern luxury with futuristic elements. The gold highlights, the artistic patterns, and the stylish trims make the motorhome look like a combination of a luxury yacht, a palace, and a futuristic transport vehicle. The floral decorations on the staircase area, visible in the photo, are likely added for display purposes at an exhibition or motor show. This suggests that the motorhome is being showcased to buyers, investors, or enthusiasts, and that it belongs to a premium category where only a select market segment can afford such luxury. Overall, this double-decker motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobile living. It offers not just shelter but a lifestyle defined by freedom, comfort, privacy, and exquisite design. It transforms travel from a tiring experience into a luxurious journey, where every mile feels like a leisurely moment in a 5-star suite. Whether used for vacations, business tours, long road trips, or even as a mobile residence, it caters to every need of a modern traveler who refuses to settle for anything less than extraordinary. The architectural vision, engineering mastery, interior elegance, and bold exterior presence all combine to create a vehicle that truly stands apart. It is not just a mode of transportation but a statement of class, innovation, and modern luxury. Please like and subscribe for more videos.